Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I get this question like how many times for an application you can apply GCMS notes, and in old terms you can say CAIPS notes. So the reality is there is no limitation. When I was doing my spouse sponsorship application, this is how I used to do. I apply a note today, I got it after 30 days, and the data I see today after 30 days is gonna be as per the day when I requested, so 1 month before. So today, after receiving my note, I apply again. So now this note that I'm gonna receive 1 month later is gonna cover these 30 days. So that is how I did, but you don't have to do like that. You should not be frustrated like me, although the processing was much better during those days. So there's no limitation, but you should not be raising it again and again before you get your notes, because that will not help you at all. So once you get your notes, you can plan for another note if you really have to. If the processing time is going through and you have proper information that what is going on and where it is, then there is no need to apply. But if the processing time has passed and you are not getting any response for so long, then you can try that. Anyway, it's your right to apply because it comes under Right to Information Act, and this is how it works. But yes, beware of the scams. Some unlicensed immigration consultants, I have heard they even charge 60,000 INR. I got shocked for these notes. Don't do that. It just costs 5 Canadian dollars. If you go in Indian currency, it will be less than 300 rupees. So be uh, be careful and share this with all so that you can raise awareness. Thanks for watching.